Here's how to download YouTube videos. Now on your iPhone, Android, or computer, let's first just head into a web browser. I'll show you how to download your YouTube videos if you wanted to, or someone else's. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go directly to studio.youtube.com. Now keep in mind, this will bring you to your YouTube studio, and I'm going to hit go. If you hit get the app, it'll just download the app, which you could do, but you can also just hit continue in Studio. This will open up the website-based version of YouTube Studio. Now, all I need to do is take my fingers and I'm going to zoom in and tap on that little video icon right there to get to my videos. And let's say this random video, I wanted to download it because it's my video and I want it to be on my phone or computer. I can just tap on the video. And there you can see are those three dots. I can tap on those three dots. And now on a computer, you can just tap on the download button, and maybe in some other browsers. I found in Safari, I need to press and hold on the download button and then just tap on download. After you've done that, tapped on that download button, it will essentially download it to the Files app on your iPhone or to the gallery, depending on what you have saved. That's one option, but another option is if you wanted to just say open up YouTube and you want to browse around, and let's say you wanted to download someone else's videos. The easiest way to do that is to first just hop out of here and tap on You at the bottom right, and then tap on that gear icon at the very top right. Now, we need to make sure you have permission to do this, so tap on Purchases and Memberships. And you need YouTube Premium to be able to do this. So if you haven't already, sign up for YouTube Premium. They usually have a free trial that will give you free access to do this for a week or so. After you've done that, we can download those videos. Let's open this one back up. Just by swiping over, you can see Save, Thanks, and there is Download. I can tap on that, and it will automatically start to download to my phone or computer. To be able to find it, all we need to do is hop out here and tap on the U button at the bottom right. And after we've done that, we can scroll down to Downloads. And here is my download. Keep in mind, this isn't downloaded onto the gallery or the files of my phone or computer. It's still in the YouTube app, but there it is downloaded. I can listen to it offline, or I can tap on those three dots and hit delete from downloads if I no longer want it on there.